Hey guys, it's Karen Mira. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a Clickbank product that I found that is high converting. I've made quite a few sales with it, and a lot of people ask me like, what are good products to promote inside of Clickbank? I'm going to share this with you in just a minute. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. With that being said, we're going to go over to Clickbank. If you follow me for very long, you know that I have done a lot of Clickbank product reviews on this channel, and there's only probably a handful that I feel are really good and that I promote, but I wanted to share this with you just in case you didn't know. This product is, the creator is Wesley Version, and I can't remember the product that he first started with, but that's how he became a millionaire, was through Clickbank. He created a fitness product, and like I said, I can't remember the name of it, but he was #1 on Clickbank for quite some time. Let's actually go back here to the marketplace, and if you just click on the search here, you'll see by popularity the highest converting one is Cinderella Solution right now. A lot of these at Clickbank University. But if we scroll down here, you can see his goal right now is to get Overnight Millionaire to be #1 on Clickbank. This one was #1 for quite some time, Fat Belly Fix. But I think he's on the second page here. Yeah. Here he is. He's moving up, actually. When I started promoting this and did a review on it, there was hardly any gravity. But now the gravity is 170, so you can see that people make a lot of sales with it. I've made quite a few sales with it. So it's very, very good product, and he teaches you how to market online, but mostly the basic course is about how to think, and that to me is the most important thing in anything. So if we take a look at you can see the average sale is $28.97. There is recurring billing on this one, and there are upsells, so you can make more than just that. But if we take a look at the affiliate page right here, let's see, he does have email swipes that are good. I looked at the older ones right here. These are really good that you can put in your autoresponder. He only has like 3 or 4 of them, I guess, but they're high converting. And then he has Facebook video ads, so you can access those as well. But I wanted to tell you about this done for you. So if you text him, Wes, I want done for you, to this number, that will get you to him. Actually, it looked like it was him that answered me back. So he tells you what's going to happen. We advise you how on the top converting domain and build out your Facebook compliant landing page that we know converts. Phase 2, we will create your first Facebook ad, including the copy, video, and image that will generate your first sale. Phase 3, we will generate your first sale. We will guarantee your first sale because you get access to their Facebook audience pixel data that has over $1 million worth of data of people who buy his offers. And special bonus, when you jump in today, you'll instantly get 90% off the front end, and I will bump your 10% to 50% on the back end if you text me, Wes, I want this done for you now. Okay, so I found out how much it was because I went ahead and texted. Let me read to you what the conversation was we had. So I texted him, Wes, I want done for you now, and then he wrote back, I don't know, like I said, if it's him, but I kind of thought it was. He said, let's go, how serious are you? And I said, serious, love the product and have made some sales with free marketing and have a small budget for paid and want to scale up. He said, excellent, it's $499. Then he said, do you have the money to invest? And I said, what does that cover? Because according to this, it looked like they did everything for you. But he wrote back and said, making money online and teaching you the ways in my Facebook group. So you're going to pay $4.99 to get in his Facebook group to learn how to market this. And I said, okay, I must have misunderstood the affiliate page. I thought it was setting up the Facebook campaign for me. He said, no, we teach you step by step how to do so. And then he said there's a $750 option where my developer literally does it all for you. So either way, I think that's a really good deal there if you want to go that route, because again, if you can use somebody's Facebook audience pixels data, they can't guarantee you sales. Well, actually, he did say we can guarantee your first sale because of that. And so this is a high converting offer. I would highly recommend that you promote Overnight Millionaire. Now, the way that I've done it is through a product review. I've been number 2 for this product review for a while. Sometimes I was number 1. I did get some backlinks to it. But if you go to my Facebook, or excuse me, my YouTube channel here, and you just right here click in search Clickbank. The second one that comes up here is how to make money on Clickbank doing video product reviews. So I go over exactly how to do it. Now, you wouldn't want to link directly to the sales page here, because then you're not going to capture leads, because you want to follow up with people. Most people won't buy on the first exposure. This is a really long sales page, but it's good. So you wouldn't want to link directly to that. I would recommend making a lead capture page, and I do have some videos on that. But I would say something just generic, because then you can switch this out if you have other Clickbank offers that you want to promote. Something generic like this. And then when they opt in, when they click here, then on the second page you're going to link to the sales page, which I just showed you. And then you're also going to link to your autoresponder and have this follow-up series in there. And then again, if you want to get his done for you, that converts really, really well. You can do this, which is on his affiliate page. And his goal is to have Overnight Millionaire be number 1 in Clickbank. There are other ways you can promote this. I got them all here. Clickbank and blogging, Quora. I show you how to create lead capture pages. I'll leave a link to this playlist down there of all my Clickbank videos. But there's one in here about banner ads. You can do banner ads. You can do free classified ads or paid classified. So there's a whole bunch of different ways that you can market this. But I just wanted to share this with you because it is a really good product to promote. Now, I think the best way is to do a product review. And of course, you don't want to copy what other people have done, because that will only hurt them and yourself. But if you get the basic, like I think it's around $20, just his basic course, number 1, it's going to help you because it's going to teach you how to think. But number 2, it's going to help you to do a product review on it, because you go through it and then you just give your honest opinion on it. And then you say, you know, if you want to pick up your copy, click on the first link in the description below the video. So you're more authentic if you actually have the product, you've gone through it and you believe in it, than if you're just trying to sell somebody on it. So I would recommend that you pick up a copy of it, go through it, because he's really, really good at what he does. I was super excited to do a review on this because it is such a good product. So that is what I wanted to share with you today, because again, a lot of people ask me what is a good Clickbank product to review, because even though they may have a high gravity score, it may not be a good product, and then people are going to do refunds. But a lot of people do get the upsell on the Overnight Millionaire, I've found. So hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you want to pick up your copy of Overnight Millionaire, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.